Whether for testing incoming materials, failure points, large items, scrap in a yard, or simply to identify items by grade, there are many situations that demand a mobile system that moves with you and delivers fast, dependable results, even outdoors and in places without a power socket. Introducing the Metavision-MX Plus, a high-performance mobile OES built to deliver analysis on the move, whether from mains power or using an inbuilt long-lasting battery. From positive material identification and grade verification to full-scale elemental analysis, this OES is engineered to deliver where others can't even reach. Equipped with optics with multiple CMOS detectors, the Metavision-MX Plus delivers full spectrum analysis, including critical UV elements like carbon, sulphur, phosphorus, nitrogen, boron, and visible elements like sodium and lithium with low detection limits. It's built for ease of use with easily interchangeable probe options. Apart from the standard spark, arc, and UV probes, there's also the unique touchscreen-enabled UVis Smart Probe that enables full spectrum analysis of 30 elements in a single spark. No matter what the material, this is one system that does it all, without switching setups or compromising speed. Built for the real world, the Metavision-MX Plus features shockproof, dustproof, and splash-proof housing, with insulated optics for reliable use in the widest range of operating environments. Developed with user convenience in mind, it delivers uninterrupted performance on the move, featuring a built-in battery that delivers 8 hours of usage and fast charging, taking it to 80% charge in under 10 minutes. Designed to handle all manner of samples with ease, whether curved, small, sharp-edged, a wire, a rod, a thin sheet, or an irregular shape. The Metavision-MX Plus supports a full range of adapters to ensure no analysis need goes unmet. Engineered for adaptability, it seamlessly integrates into any workflow. Whether mounted on an ergonomic trolley for smooth, on-the-go operation, or set up as a robust benchtop OES in the lab, it offers unmatched flexibility. The innovative tool-free assembly makes switching between configurations quick and hassle-free, keeping productivity high in any environment. It can also be disassembled into compact, portable modules for easy transport. With a real-time result display on the probe, a pass-fail functionality, and grade matching from a library of more than 350,000 preloaded grades from 74 countries. The Metavision-MX Plus is ideal for PMI, scrap sorting, final product checks, and failure analysis. From shop floors to scrap yards, from pipelines to process plants, Metavision-MX Plus delivers where others can't go, enabling high-performance analysis on the move. Metal Power Analytical, your partner in analytical excellence.